Hi all. Okay, so this video will be me showing you what I do. Okay, so as we all know, these are the two bottles I've been using for the last few weeks. I use these for the shoes, I use these for the hats, and then I get the question would be normally, now what do you do with them now? You know what I'm saying? Do I just act like, throw them in the trash? No, I don't. Look, y'all know my rule. From my scrapbooking years, when they told you don't throw no scraps away, I don't waste stuff. So let me show you. These are the shoes that I'm going to be working on. Y'all know my new addiction to denim. Okay, let's not play. Now, instead of customizing this part like I did my other denim boots, I'm actually going to only bling here. And so I'm still in it up in the air. Okay. I was in the group and I already said it's either I'm going to use these or yeah, so it's either I'm gonna use my flames, my blue flames, or the jellies. I don't know yet. Probably the flames. But that means what? You think I'm gonna open up my tube of, E6000? Nope, I'm gonna be using these. And you go, but that's Let me show you how I'm gonna do it. So turn them upside down so they can flow out. And hopefully not flip over, because I do that too. I love these cups that I got that I'm going to be using as my little mixers. I hope y'all can see this because I'm about to sit down normally. And y'all know I have a habit of not deliberately moving out of camera or moving things out of camera. And y'all see that consistency is still gorgeous, flowing. Let me just show you. Like a river. And so I'm going to let that go out. Oh, you too. Sorry. And yes, I talked to my E6000. I talked to my Gorilla Glue. And I talked to my stones. And I talked to my dogs. And I talked to myself. Y'all get where I'm going. It starts to get a little bit cray. And since I already didn't have them upside down, you got to wait for that, what I call the flow of time. Try to unwrap my bottles because I'm squeezing them to get this out. Shh. Everybody say hi to baby girl who barks at every sound. Just a little bit more in there. I might just put the caps back on and hang them upside down and go back to them. Oi! Hush! She still got to make a comment. It's just like she's like, I feel like I still got a little bark. Hey! Stop that! And ever present is my boy dog. Quiet. Nothing to say. Not fazed about anything. Don't look. My dog is the most stress-free. Spades, nothing. Right there. I'm looking at him. Nothing. No bark. Nothing. His attitude is just like, well, if they come in here to kill you, well, they might leave me alone. Who knows? Okay, so I'm just going to turn this over, like I said, for a minute. And then put it upside down so the rest can come out. Same with this. Look at how pretty, y'all. I'm being serious. Look at this. Oh, okay. I know. So this is a GGmix I mixed a few years ago, and I use it a lot. Because I told y'all, I like to replicate the bling shifting in stones. And I like to use that, do the same thing with my glitter. It's just something that I do. So look, this is what we're going to do. I'm going to pour a bunch in here. And still miss and put some on the counter. Good girl, T. Let me just show y'all what that looks like. There we go. And then we're going to slowly incorporate. Remember when I told you going from, when you're using light tones, it's very cool. But when you add dark, eventually that dark gonna just take over. So yeah. And let's just mix this up. Just want to show you. It doesn't have to be a fast thing. You just take your time as you watch it go insane. And you see I'm taking my time in mixing it. And I know you go, that other one is open. I'm going to get to it. And do you see the more glitter you add, the darker it'll be, but it'll also have that shifting colors in it. Do you see that? And then I want you to watch as it pours out, because I want you to see no clumps. See how beautiful? Oh, Jesus, I'm loving this already. Look at this, y'all. Oh, wait, let me see where I'm at. Oh, yeah. Look at that. Are y'all telling me that's not beautiful? And so, just like that, I already got my mix, and it will go with either one of these that I choose. I want you to look. And like I said, this is the older ones that I've had, and I'm still going to be able to what? Continue using them. I wanted y'all to see that for yourselves. I'm getting a new bottle because I'm going to use, where it is, I just had you, my little funnel thing. And yes, it's an old one. I never clean it. I just keep using it. So, look how beautiful. I'm serious, y'all. Look how gorgeous that is. Look how beautiful that is. No clumps, nothing. And so I'm going to just slowly let you go in there. Do you see that? And it's going to slowly drain into that bottle. I'm going to move that out the way. I'm going to get to this one. Remember this one? Again, I'm going to add more glitter. And how you keep missing the table? Yes, I have whole conversations with myself, y'all. And I don't know if y'all want to watch it while I drain, but you know, it depends. Ooh, okay, hold on, y'all. Look, that's glitter overload. Let me just take it from around the rim and then add you to the cup. But I wanted you to see that it's flowing inside of that cup. Look how gorgeous that is, y'all. Love it. Back to you. So I wanted to just stir it again so y'all see how smooth and creamy it is. I'm about to get her. Hi. Don't run. Get in that bed and hush. Okay, the same thing with this one. I always start small by applying what I call a small amount of glitter. Y'all might go, that's a lot. For me, it's not. Because like I said, I keep mixing it and turning it so that the glitter smooths over can look evenly. That is beautiful too, y'all. Don't lie, but nope, I need some more. Because I need it to be just like that one. And again, taking my time, mixing. Look, with the stick. And you get to just watch it become the color that you want. Look. I just want to show y'all how beautiful that is. And again, I'm adding more. And mixing. And again, I'm going to keep showing y'all how smooth that is. And how there's no problem with it just pouring into this. So that consistency is still lovely. One more. Look, one more hit. That's what I call it. And mix. And like I said, I don't want anyone to feel like they have to make GG mixes. I just, for the people that want to learn and want to know about them, I just like to do these videos just to show you. Look how beautiful that is. And so, yeah, I'm ready to do my next project using what? My old glue. Yes, I don't go, y'all. I told y'all I don't waste no glue. Y'all have a good night. Okay, bye-bye.